Hello everyone, my name is Nazwa Aulia Saputri from class 11 Multimedia. Here I will present an exposition text, an example of a text that a book about global warming. So, let's start! Exposition text. Exposition is a text that elaborates the wider idea about the phenomenon surrounding its social function to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter. Global warming. Global warming is a process of raising the average temperature of the atmosphere, the sea, and the land of the earth. The increasing temperature causes the air where we inhabit feel hotter, and in the daytime we feel the excessive hot temperature. It is probably caused by the increasing of the greenhouse gas concentration as the result of human activity and the global warming itself. Because of the global warming, there are a lot of damage that can inflict on the Earth's structure location in our Earth. Global warming is not only the problem for the government but also for all of the inhabitants of the earth. Imagine if the North and South poles are melted, will we only suspend of faith to the government? Global warming is the responsibility for all of us. We must actively prevent or at least slow down of the process of global warming. There are several ways that we can do to help our Earth from the global warming. First, don't cut the trees careless. Tree is the biggest producer of O2 or oxygen in the world. Every day we breathe, we need oxygen, and thus tree provide oxygen for us every day. If we only have few trees, CO2 gas, carbon dioxide can make the air getting hotter. In spite of that, if we breathe without the presence of oxygen, we will not be able to live until today. Second, reduce the use of private vehicles. The use of private vehicles will cause the waste of fuels. We all know that every fuel cell vehicles will issue the discharge of oil gas in form of CO2 and CO. If these gases are in large quantities, if could lead to the effect of greenhouse gas, which ultimately make the source of global warming getting worse. Since you can still use public transportation, use your private vehicles when you really need it. Third, turn off the lamp during the daytime, even if you can afford to pay the bills. This is our awareness to our environment that we turn off the lamp during the daytime. As the alternative, you can also use advanced energy light, so as XLP and LED or light emitting diodes. Those kinds of light can save more than 50% of the energy. Fourth, plant trees on the threshold of your house. Use your front lot of your house to plant various trees and plants. You don't have to plant oak on mahogany. You can plant other ornamental trees or plant with green leaves, which are potential to produce oxygen. Fifth, build a house with enough ventilation. When you build a house, please pay attention on the ventilation and light appropriately. If can reduce the use of air condition in the you can design your house with good natural lighting, therefore you don't need to turn off the lamp in the daytime. Global warming is our responsibility. From now we can help to solve the problem by doing several ways to prevent and slow down the process of global warming. Many presentation for me about the exposition text. Hopefully it will be useful. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.